video, we're going to learn about PTCFast. What is PTCFast? It is an online parent-teacher conference scheduling solution. This year, AISJ will be using this software in order to allow our parents to virtually schedule conferences for their children with the teachers. The divisional assistants already created conferences for all the teachers in all the divisions. They are already published on a specific webpage for AISJ, and it would allow the parents to pick from those conferences that are published and schedule their students with those teachers. What should you do as a teacher? You will need to manage your conference and to get access to see who has signed up in your conference. To do this, you're going to find an email in your email inbox from PTCFast. In that email, you will find a link that says Manage My Conference. If you click on that link, it should take you where you can manage your conference. Here is an example of how your conference would look like. There is the conference name or title, the 2 dates that you have the conferences, and the time blocks that you have set up for those conferences. Note that all of this has been set up by your divisional assistant. As parents start signing up for their children, you will see the names of the kids pop up on your time blocks. You can also manually enter someone by clicking on the unfilled link. If you scroll down to the bottom, you will see you can view the schedule as parents will see it. You can also send appointment reminders if you think your parents need a reminder about their appointment with you. One thing that you absolutely need to do is to click on emails, and where you see room location of conference, you will need to put your Zoom link that you will be using for the parents or for the conference. This is important because this will be sent to the parents with the summary of their appointment, and that would allow them to click on it to get access to your Zoom. So please make sure that you put your Zoom link in this location, and on the bottom choose Submit My Choices. Now you are done with your conference. But if you are wondering about how parents sign up, then let's go over to talk about that. Parents will be able to schedule their kids on PTCFast very easily. The first thing they will need to do is to go to our webpage with all the conferences and the teachers' names. They will click on that webpage and find the teachers that they need to schedule their conferences with. They can select one or more teachers for one or more children, and then they will register with their email. When they complete the registration, they will receive a confirmation email with a link to make any changes, just like you have your link in your email as well. The parents' confirmation email will look like this. And as you see here, it has information about the conference that they signed up for, the student that they chose for that conference, the date and the time, and also you could see that there is the Zoom link that is right in the location. That is what you have set up on your side as a teacher. Please note that if a parent signs up more than one child, they should receive the same information for more than one child, whether in the same email or in different emails. If you need any help, please contact your divisional assistant or the IT team. I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.